Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'm gonna help you guys solve the sign-up errors on the Textplus app. As you can see in my screen right now, this is the Textplus application, and you get this pop-up when you successfully make an account and you get a number. Okay, so guys, if you need more text plus alternatives, there are a few applications which I have made, and I have rectified the errors in those applications too, and I leave those applications videos links in the description. You could just go check it out. And so guys, before moving on to the video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button, and do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below if this video was useful or helpful to you. So guys, let's just not waste any more time and let's just straightly dive into the video. Okay, so first of all, like I told before, this is the screen which you get when you successfully receive your number in Textplus application. So in order to receive a number in Textplus application, there are a few steps which you must do. Uh, But when doing those steps, you may receive few errors, such as sign up error, region unsupported, or an error has occurred. Okay, so there are actually two important steps which you must follow. Just two, and if you successfully do those two steps, you never receive an error while making your account. And this was my first try when making an account, and in my first try, I was able to successfully make an account and receive a number. As you can see in my screen, this is my uh, so guys, for the folks who don't know about Textplus, Textplus is something uh, which enables the user to get a number, and it enables users to message and call others. You'll also be able to make social media accounts using the virtual number providers such as Textplus, and I made separate videos showing you guys how to make social media accounts such as WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Those videos links are in the description, and you could just go and check it out. Okay, so these are the few of the Textplus snapshots. As you can see, these snapshots are those posted by Textplus on their Google developer page. Okay, these are the few features of Textplus. We'll be able to choose a number, or we'll be able to use our own number as an eSIM. We'll be able to get unlimited free calling plus unlimited free messaging within the US or Canada region. We'll be able to group message, we'll be able to MMS, we'll be able to use voicemail features, we'll be able to use the favorites, stickers, gifts, cutouts, games, chat activities, voice messages, iPad, iPod, and iPhone, all free, etc. So these are the features. So first of all, guys, you must search for Textplus in your Apple or Android device, and you must install this. After installing, what you must do is that you must click on the open over here. This is not my first time using this account. I already actually have a number, as you can see in my screen above. This is my number. This is the number which I showed you in screenshot. Okay, so this application, uh, how much would I rate this application is, I'm using this application for a day, and the rating which I would give this application compared to other eSIM providers is that this is a pretty much easy to use application, and we are able to easily earn credits too. As you can see in my store, I have actually 2 credits. Okay, as you can see over here, this is my credits balance. I earned the 2 credits by you know, I got a reward for completing a task. Okay, so how much they have few annoying ads in this application, so that's the only issue which I face with this application. So how much would I rate this application? Is that I would rate this application 4.2 stars out of 5. Okay, so that is my rating. So there are another 2 applications which would receive this rating, and those 2 applications link is in the description and the first comment. I would pin the comment, so you can just go and check it out. Okay, so let's move back to the content of fixing the sign up error. After making after logging in, the steps which you have to do is that you know the 2 steps which I mentioned in order to clear all the sign up errors is that number one, we would need to always never allow any permissions while using the TextPlus. So TextPlus asks for few of the permissions such as uh, microphone, phone, files and media, etc. Just the phone, permission is enough, I guess. Do not allow any other permissions while using this application. As if you allow permissions, you may get a few errors such as sign up errors, etc. The second step which I mentioned is that right now my number over here is actually as you can see my state code, it's 315. It's actually a New York number. Okay. uh, so the thing is that if you are using this application, uh, you know if I am using New York, I'm gonna just always connect to the New York servers. So for example, if I scroll down, I'll be able to locate the New York server over here. I have 150 plus servers in this VPN. I'm not promoting this VPN, and I do not recommend you guys in order to use the same VPN too. You could just try using some other VPN. So here, which server provides the US states, it's fine. But after connecting to the VPN, just make sure which state you are connected to by navigating to the Google and finding about information about the IP address, and choose that state as a country when choosing a number. So this will actually solve the most of the sign up issues in TextPlus. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you want me in order to make a complete demonstration video for rectifying the sign up errors, I could make a video on that. But just following these two steps will actually solve you with the sign up error. Will definitely, I can give you 100% assurance is going to solve the sign up errors. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, and if you found this video helpful, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video, and like I told before, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button here to subscribe button. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, bye.